Hello, my name is Rahul Yadav. My college ID is 17ME50. I am doing my bachelor's degree in mechanical engineering from Engineering College Ajmer. I am here to present a seminar on electric vehicle battery under the guidance of Mr. Tarun Kumar Asiri. He is an assistant professor of mechanical department in Engineering College Ajmer. In this presentation, we are going to learn about. Hello, my name is Rahul Yadav. My college ID is 17ME50. I am doing my bachelor's degree in mechanical engineering from Engineering College Ajmer. I am here to present a seminar on electric vehicle battery under the guidance of Mr. Tarun Kumar Asiri. He is an assistant professor of mechanical department in Engineering College Ajmer. In this presentation, we are going to learn about contents. What is electric vehicle battery? Types of electric vehicle batteries, charging process, examples of electric vehicles, different batteries in future batteries, prices of electric vehicles battery, conclusion and references. What is electric vehicle battery? An electric vehicle battery or traction battery can be either a primary battery or a secondary battery is rechargeable battery used for propulsion of battery electric vehicles. Electric vehicles batteries differ from starting, lighting, and ignition batteries because they are designed to give power over a sustained period of time. Electric vehicle batteries requirements. Requirement is safe, high power, high capacity, small and light, long life, low overall cost. Types of electric vehicles battery. First, lead acid battery. Fluided lead acid batteries are the cheapest and most common traction batteries available. There are two main types of lead acid batteries. First, automobile engine starter batteries, and second, deep cycle batteries. Traditionally, most electric vehicles have used lead acid battery due to their mature technology and high availability and low cost. This battery's efficiency is 70 to 75%. Second, nickel metal hydride. They boost an energy density of 3 to 80 watt hour per kg for higher than lead acid battery. When used properly, nickel metal hydride batteries can have exceptionally long lives. Downsides include the power efficiency, high self-discharge, very finicky charge cycles, and poor performance in cold weather. Present nickel metal hydride battery that still operate well after 1 lakh miles and over a decade of service. Third is Zebra or sodium battery. The sodium or Zebra battery uses molten chloroaluminate sodium as the electrolyte. The Zebra battery boasts an energy density of 120 watt hour per kg. The downsides to the Zebra battery include poor power density and the requirements of having to heat the electrolyte to about 270 degrees Celsius. Zebra batteries have been used in the modern vehicle commercial vehicles since it entered production in 2006. Fourth and last, lithium ion battery. The traditional lithium ion chemistry involves a lithium cobalt oxide cathode and a graphite anode. This yields cells with an impressive 200 plus watt hour per kg energy density and good power density, 80 to 90% charge or discharge efficiency. Silicon nanowires, silicon nanoparticles, and tin nanoparticles promise several times the energy density in the anode. Charging. Charging time is limited primarily by the capacity of the grid connection. Most batteries do not accept charge at greater than their charge rate because high charge rate has adverse effect on the discharge capacity of batteries. The charging power can be connected to the car in two ways. First, conductive coupling, and second, inductive charging. Advantages of charging systems. The advantage of the inductive approach is that there is no possibility of electrocution as there is no exposed conductors. Although interlocks, special connectors, and ground fault detectors can make conductive coupling nearly as safe. Inductive charging can also reduce vehicle weight by moving more charging component of board. Examples of electric vehicles using different batteries. Using nickel metal hydride batteries, the General Motors electric vehicle had a range of 75 to 150 miles with nickel metal hydride batteries in 1999. Using lithium ion batteries. New lithium ion battery equipped electric vehicle provide 320 to 480 km of range per charge. Lithium is also less expensive than nickel. Nissan company developed a car in 2001. Tesla Roadster. The Tesla Roadster is an upcoming all-electric battery-powered four-seater sports car concept made by Tesla. Tesla has said it will be capable of 0 to 60 mile per hour in 1.9 seconds, which is quicker than any street legal production car to date. At its announcement in November 2017, Tesla said that the vehicle had a 200 kilowatt hour battery, twice the capacity of the largest battery in an existing Tesla car. Tesla has said that the Roadster will have a 1000 km range on a single charge at highway speeds. Future batteries. First, carbon nanotube batteries. Alternative is developing a carbon nanotube lead acid battery pack. According to the company, deliver 380 miles range and can be recharged in less than 10 minutes. According to US Energy Secretary Chu, cost of a 40-mile range battery will drop from a price in 2008 of $12,000 to $3,600 in 2015 and further to $1,500 by 2020. The technology could be in production as soon as 2023. Lithium sulfur battery. Monash University researchers have developed a lithium sulfur battery that can power a smartphone for 5 days, outperforming lithium ion. The researchers have fabricated this battery, have patents, and the interest of manufacturers. The group has funding for further research in 2020, saying that continued research into cars and grid use will continue. The new battery technology is said to have a lower environmental impact than lithium ion and lower manufacturing cost, while offering the potential to power a vehicle for 1000 km or a smartphone for 5 days. Prices of electric vehicles battery. Tesla battery packs cost $156 per kilowatt hour in 2019. The lithium ion battery of capacity 100 Ah voltage 3.7 rate 5200. The sodium nickel chloride Zebra battery selling price of $123 per kilowatt hour. Nickel metal hydride battery packs of 300 rupees of size AAA. Conclusion: electric battery automobiles are really important as they will prevent a major source of increased global warming and other natural problems. New concepts of rechargeable should arise that will have higher efficiency than all other existing batteries. References and thank you.